is there are three things which are mustahab. Sahri is mustahab, suhoor. Yes, this is mustahab. To delay it, by delaying we mean that you try to do it right at the end time, just before Fajr. Yes, enough time though for you to eat. Doesn't mean leave 1 minute and then start making your food. Yes, it means have enough time. So it's right at the end of that night. And also to be quick to open your fast. Yes. So as soon as the sun sets, open your fast straight away. Okay. But in a day which is not cloudy, slightly delay it in a day that's cloudy. Yes. Because sometimes you can get confused in terms of, but these days we have timings anyway. But I would still say be wary of the timings. Okay. Always open about a minute after or 2 minutes after the timing that's on the calendars as well, just in case. Yes, because these calendars, because you do not try and test them, they tend to go off on certain days. Yes, so always, even for your prayer times, always leave like a couple of minutes for either side. Yes, so if you're reading namaz and you're getting late, then before the beginning time, make sure you always have a couple of minutes before the time that's written. When you're going to start the next prayer, yes, but you want to read it in its beginning time, leave a couple of minutes and read it after the starting of that beginning time. In the next chapter, and you can read up on this, he just talks about for those people who don't have to fast. Yes, like people who fear that their illness will increase or the cure will slow down, a pregnant lady, a lady who's giving milk to a child, her own milk to a child, yes, and they fear that they might die from it, then in this case, these people can not fast. They have an excuse not to fast. But the fear that we mean here is fear that they will die. Yes, not just any old fear, a fear that will take them to either terminal illness, which they could die from, or that they will definitely die from it if they carry on with this. Then in this case, they have the leave to fast. Same thing with the traveler. But for them to fast is better as long as it does not harm them. If a person is traveling and he sees that all of his traveling companions are all fasting, then he should fast if it doesn't harm him. And if he fears that the companions that he's traveling with, they're not fasting, and you've got one pot as well, meaning you put money into one pot that you're going to eat from it, drink from it, whatever. Okay, then in this case, if the rest of them are not fasting, he shouldn't fast as well. Okay, just so that the share of this money is equally given out to everyone.